the topic Marketing Strategies for Market Leader, presented by Ankita, MCom Previous, MPM, Government First Grade College, Karkala. Before moving the strategies for market leader, first we will see the meaning of market leader. Market leader could be a product, brand, company, organization, group name which has the highest percentage of total sales revenue of a particular market. Market leader means it could be a product, it could be a brand, or it could be a company or organization which has the highest percentage of total sales revenue of a particular market is called market leader. Market leader has the largest market share in the relevant product in the industry. It has dominant position in the market. Obviously, it leads other firms in new product development, price change, distribution coverage, promotional activities and novel experiments. Here, the market leader has obtained largest market share in the industry and it has top and dominant position in the market. So, obviously it leads the other firm. They have to develop their new product and they have to do changes in their price, distribution coverage, advertisement activities and novel experiments. The leader may or may not be respected by other firms, but other firms has to acknowledge its dominance. Marketing strategies. It is hard task to remain the number one in market. The firm desiring to maintain market leader position has to adopt one or more of the following three major strategies. Here there will be a three major strategies are there. If a firm desiring to maintain market leader position, they have to follow these three strategies. First strategy, expanding the total market. Second one, defending the current market share. Third one, expanding the market share. First strategy is expanding the total market. The leader normally gains more when the total market expands. When the total market expands, at that time the leader normally gains more. So, total market can be expanded in four different ways. First one, add new users. The leader firm must try to add new users. Every product class has potential to attract new buyers who are either not aware of the product or are resistant due to high price and lack of desired features. Here the leader firm must try to add new users and every product class has potential to attract the new buyers. New users can be added in several ways. First one, convincing non-user to use the product. It's called market penetration strategy. Here the company convincing non-user to use their product only. For example, users of other FMCG brand might use Patanjali Ayurvedic product. Second one, adding more user in user class. It's called new market strategy. Here, those who have never used their product, the company will convince and attract the buyer to use their product. Third one, winning competitor customer. It's called aggressive strategy. Here the company will attract the competitive customer and sell their product. Fourth one, selling product in other markets. It's called geographical expansion strategy. Here the company sell their product those who lives elsewhere. Discover new users. Another option to expand the total market consists of discovering and promoting new users of the existing product. The strategy can be applied to industrial product as well as consumer product. A wise firm can get idea regarding new users of the product from customer tactfully. Here, the market can be expanded by discovering and promoting the new product users. Third one, more usage per occasion or time. The third strategy to expand the market consists of convincing the present user to use more of the product per use of occasion. It is more applicable to edible class product. Here, the company will convince the people to use more of the product per use of occasion. For example, Big Bazaar. In the month of June, they will offer cashback worth rupees 2000. Fourth one, more frequent users. Sometimes a company tried to convince user to use the product more frequently to increase the consumption. Here, the company tried to convince the user to use the product more frequently to increase their consumption. For example, in case of gift article, it is very common to discover different events when gift can be offered. Second strategy, defending current market share. This strategy is based on the theme customer retention is more profitable than customer creation. At any cost, the current market share must not be endangered. While expanding the total market, a market leader must continuously defend its current market share against rivals' attack. Here, the company will defend the current market share from the competitors. There are 6 defense strategies are there. First one, position defense. The most basic defense strategy is to build an unbeatable fortification around one's territory to keep the opponent away. In this strategy, the company would put all its resources into a strong brand. Here, the company will think instead of focusing on so many brands, the company would focus on its strength. For example, HUL, its strong brands are soap, detergent, etc. Second one, flank defense. Flank defense consists of setting outposts to protect weak sides that are vulnerable to be attacked. So such protection attempts serve as invasion base for counterattack if needed. Flanking defense, it is exactly opposite to the position defense. In this defense, the company tried to put all its resources into a weak brand so that weak brand becomes strong brand. Third one, preemptive or preventive defense. The basic idea of preemptive defense is to launch the attack before the enemy start attacking. It is like to attack the enemy earlier to avoid enemy attack. Playing the psychological games is very common to discourage competitors' movement. Here the company defend their product before the competitors attack them. Fourth one, counter-offensive defense. Counter-offensive indicates responding enemy attack with a counter-attack. The leader cannot remain passive in competitor attacks in the form of price cut, product modification, or any time of invasion on its sales territory. In this defense, the company will find out which is the weak point of the competitors and how to try to attack them. Fifth one, mobile defense, is also called shifting defense, is much more than simply protecting the territory. The leader stretches or expands its area over new territory that can serve as a future center for offense as well as defense. In this defense, the company would think rather than wasting their time in defending, they just go into a new market and find a new customer. Last one, contraction defense. Sometimes even large companies can no longer defend all territory. Here, if the company has many brands, it's focus on 2 or 3 major brands and liquidate the other brand. Third strategy is expanding the market share. Instead of expanding the total market and defending the current market share, sometimes the market leader prefers to improve profitability by increasing the market share. The extent to which the increased market share results into improved profitability depends on a lot of variables. Here, the company would think that instead of expanding the total market and defending the current market share, they have to expand the market share. There are several ways to expand the market share. First one, adding new product lines. In order to expand the market share, the market leader can add new and diversified product line to make the product mix comprehensive and attractive. Here the market leader add the new and diversified product line to attract the consumer. Second one, expanding the existing product line. It is a product line extension strategy. It's called upon expanding current product line by adding new models, varieties or items with attractive features and superior qualities. Here the company expanding the current product line by adding new models, varieties with the attractive features and superior quality. Third one, improving the product quality. Market share can be increased by improving the quality of the current product. When the quality of the product good, at that time the consumer will buy more. So they have to improve their market share. Fourth one, increasing promotion efforts. Heavy advertisement, aggressive sales force, effective sales promotion, and attractive publicity efforts can help expanding market share faster relative to competitors. Here, the market leader do heavy advertisement, aggressive sales force, effective sales promotion, and attractive publicity to increase the market share. Fifth one, deploying aggressive sales force. Effective personal selling efforts also have positive impact on sale value, market share and profitability as well. Here they have to do the aggressive sales force. Sixth one, applying price cut. To attract the price sensitive customer, the leader can practice price cut strategy. People are price sensitive. When the price of the product decreases, at that time the people will buy more products. So leader can practice the price cut strategy. Last one, improving the production efficiency. A leader must improve production efficiency to reduce overall cost. Reduce the overall cost. The leader must improve the production efficiency. Thank you for watching.